What's up, boys? Today we're back with another video, and today, believe it or not, this is Colorado. This is crazy, and we're in the Colorado sand dunes. This is just like spectacular, and we're gonna be camping 2 nights, and you know how we like it, a bit gritty, and of course it's pretty damn cold and it's gonna be storming. So haven't seen the winter camping video, go check that out now, because you know how we do it. Really gritty, so yeah, let's get into it. All right, so we just started walking, got about 2 miles on this trail. It's really sandy, so it's gonna be a good one. I'll update you boys when we're further there. All right, so we just finished walking along the main trail. Did about 2 miles on the main trail, and we're camping at this place called Indian Grove. So it should be cool. I'll update you boys once we're at the camp, and then we'll start getting her set up. All right, so now we're just about to set up camp down that valley. Once we're all set up, I'll give you guys a camp tour. Let's get to it. All right, so we just finished up with camp. We got 3 hammocks over here, so 3 boys will be sleeping over here. Got a 1 pound backpacking tent for 1 man, which I'm gonna be in. Pretty small, but it gets the job done. Got the huge 6-man tent. Got like 5 or so boys staying there, I think. And then we have the 2-man tent with 1 guy staying in it. The sheer size of these things is just crazy. This is so sick. This is crazy how steep it is. And every step, the sand like just slides behind you. This is actually crazy. All right, so we just got back from hiking the dunes, and that was crazy. Like, actually crazy. Such a cool experience. We're just walking back to camp. We got camp right over there, but probably just gonna cook some food in a bit, and yeah, I'll tell you guys when we're starting dinner. All right, so we're about to start getting some food ready. It's like 6 p.m. and for dinner tonight, I think I'm just gonna do some sandwiches, turkey and cheese. Got some mustard and other like stuff in there, so yeah. Just gonna make the sandwiches in the tent so they don't get all sandy. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we just made a sandwich right on there to avoid all the sand, and looks pretty good. So it's gonna be my dinner for tonight, and yeah, just chilling around the campfire. All right, so the sun is going down at camp, so we're just chilling, you know, no campfire tonight, but gonna have a good time anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you boys in a bit. All right, so morning of day 2. Last night we had a pretty crazy night, around like 4 a.m. The 2-man tent was over there, and Gray, who was in the 2-man tent, started yelling because there's a bear outside of his tent. So he woke us all up by yelling, and we all started yelling and scared the bear away. So that was quite eventful at 4 a.m. We all went to bed after that, and he moved his tent over there just because he's kind of scared, I guess. But yeah, we're just gonna make some breakfast and go explore the dunes some more. And it's definitely way cloudier today and way colder, so a bit more gritty, but yeah, just gonna make some breakfast and explore the dunes. So yeah, let's get to it. You got a problem? Yeah, I want to eat that shit. That's my problem. That's my problem. I want to eat. All right, it is getting cold. The wind has moved in. Meantime, we're about to go out hiking, so doing some bear bags in the trees. All right, so we just started the day 2 hike. Going through a bit of a different ravine this time to find a bigger sand dune. Got the pack for some water and stuff. So yeah, the snow is coming down. It's definitely colder than yesterday, but gonna make for a good adventure. All right, the wind is whipping and it's getting cold. Snow is coming down, getting some nice precipitation in. This is so beautiful out, it's crazy. All right, so we just got back from hiking the dunes and it started to come down. It is hailing hard. Hailing real hard. Hope it doesn't stay like this for long because we're gonna start getting soaked soon. All right, so it's been a minute since I've updated you guys, but the snow has came down and we're looking at about like 1.5 inches right now. Super unexpected. I don't think any of us expected this much snow, so probably just gonna go on a little short walk right now. So yeah, let's get to it. Wow, this is just crazy right now. So you can see we got half sand and half snow dunes. That is beautiful.
Think you're allowed to come back to another city?
Why not?
You can do it if you really.
Oh, okay. All right, so we just finished our snow walk and we're just about to head back to camp and probably just cut to some dinner. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so after seeing how much snow we've gotten, a lot at camp and a lot everywhere, we're gonna try and chop some wood to get a fire going. All right, so we just got a fire started as you've seen, and it is coming down. No one expected this much snow. We're on like sneakers and stuff, you know, just grubbing on some dinner. So yeah, let's get into it. The snow accumulation we've had in the past few like minutes is crazy. Like this has got to be 3 or 4 inches already, and we just cleared off the tents. It's already back in the tents. So yeah, getting kind of, I don't know, really not prepared for this. So I was getting kind of stressed out, but you know, we're good. Update you boys in a bit and we'll see how the storm plays out. All right, so the accumulation has just been going and it is freaking dumping. This is crazy. There's so much snow on everything. We had no idea about this. This is actually absurd, and we're standing by the fire right now, but we're all getting pretty wet there, so probably just gonna move in the mega tent, the big yellow tent right there for a bit and just chill. Hopefully this stops because we are not prepared enough for this. This is crazy. All right, boys, this is crazy. We are not nowhere near prepared for this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna go to bed, but it's gonna be fucking brutal in the morning. See you guys then.
Focus on get the fuck out. Get this shit down.
Tonka, I think we might have to leave our food bag. Yeah.
Fucking zipper is.
Snow accumulation is just crazy. So unexpected.
I was choosing.
All right, so we just got up and there is so much snow. Just gonna try and get all these tents down and hike out. All right, so we just finished packing up camp. Looking pretty clean and nice. We're all in shoes though, so feet are all about to fall off. It's gonna be a gritty hike, probably about like 2 miles out. yeah, we'll just update you guys on the way. All right, so we just finished the walk. It's pretty brutal, honestly. The snow is pretty thick and heavy. We're about to beat the trucks, and low-key, that's gonna be the hardest part, pushing them out, because we still got a while to go on this road, and it is deep. So yeah, just update you guys once we're starting to get moving again. Motherfucker! Just Jesus Christ. Oh my god, deer. Move, deer. Here, there's guys in the road. Alright, so we just got out of the off-road. We're back on the main road. Crazy snow to get out. Crazy deep, crazy heavy snow, but he got us out really well. And none of us were expecting this like type of storm to hit us, but still a great time. Had a great time, and yeah. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like for more videos.